Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard entered prematurely. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. In search you just need to search for Epic. If Epic Games related task running in the background, just right click on it and select end task. After that just close stuff here. Now you just need to open up File Explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C, program files. Find Epic Games, just right click on it and delete it. Select yes and delete it. After deleting this folder, go back to local disk C and double click on the program files x86. Find Epic Games folder, just right click on it and delete it. After deleting this folder, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can install the Epic Games launcher without having any problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.